Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can make wire transfer from Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you're logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the website. To send a wire transfer, follow the following instructions. Here's how to send an international wire transfer. After signing in, tap on Pay and Transfer. Tap Wires and Global Transfers. Tap the arrow to expand the foreign exchange rate calculator. Tell us if your recipient is an individual or business. Choose the Pay from the account and country. Enter the amount of wire transfer in US dollars and tap Send Money. Choose or add your recipient and date you would like to send your wire. Enter any additional information and then tap on Next. To complete, review the details, tap Schedule Wire. Note that local transfer do not require any exchange calculations or country selection, but the rest of the process is same. That's how you can make a wire transfer from Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.